Heaven or hell? You see, the devil knows his time is short. Satan wants to blind you from the truth of the gospel by getting you all wrapped up in your pornography, getting you all wrapped up in fornication, homosexuality, getting you all wrapped up with clubs, entertainment, with the deceitfulness of riches. Gotta wake up! Gotta wake up! Awake! You who are asleep! Rise from the dead, and Christ will give you life! And that now knowing that it is high time to awake out of sleep. For now is our salvation nearer than when we first believed. The night is far spent. The day is at hand. Let us cast off the deeds of darkness